everybody. Today I want to show you guys what I did, and I thought maybe that you would enjoy making some for yourselves. This is not my personal idea, other than this one I got off of this one, but this one here was something that I saw Gail Agostinelli, or something like that her name is. She made something similar to this and I really liked it, and I kind of enhanced and did this one. I went on from this idea and dressed this one up. These are two pockets, and I was asked to show and make different pockets. So this is an idea of what I want to show you. It's so simple. I mean, it's really simple, guys. It looks really fancy when you look at it, but it's not. There's a paper clip. I'll show you how I made those. When you open this little guy up, you have two pockets here and two more pockets up here. And then when you adhere it to your back of your book or your page, you end up having another pocket in the back because you've only adhered three sides. It's so simple to make, but yet so cute. So cute. Okay. Second one, which I kind of went from there, is this idea here. You make your tag. And this is your card here. All I did was dress it up with lace and a few flowers. When you open it up, look at the journaling space. Isn't that something? So easy, so easy, so easy. Again, you would put it, adhere on three sides. You have a pocket in the back. This is your paper. This is the back. Adhere three sides, and your card slides between the paper and the pocket. And when you open it, look at what you have to write on. It's so stinking cute. I mean, it really is cute. And again, you'd have your paper clip to add on. And why I like the paper clip, I might as well, I want to share with you, is because I think when you adhere it down, I'm afraid this will pop up and give it some weight to the book, like, thickness. So if you take it and you close it, like you're going to slide your back there, but if you just take it with a nice paper clip and you slide it in, it's going to keep it closed. And it just another nice thing to put on your book. So I'm going to show you how I did both of them. I'm going to start with the original, which is this one here. The original, I took a piece of paper, which is square. This is Tim Holtz. It's double-sided, like this, and it's square. What I did with this is I took my piece of paper, I folded it in half. Now, if you want to, you can put this on a scoreboard and score it at 4 all the way down, turn it, score it at 4 all the way down, and then score it from corner to corner. But it's as easy if you're confident and you don't have a scoreboard, or you are confident, doesn't matter which way, you can fold it this way, and then turn around, fold it this way, and fold it from corner to corner. You touch your corners and you come all the way down. Then you'll take your bone folder and you'll burnish every fold, okay? Once that is done, you should be able to take these and fold it inside. See these two pieces? They should automatically go inside like this, and then you end up having a book like this. Okay? It looks like a book. It's a little square. So with this square, you end up having a 4x4 square. So with this square, all I did is I brought it up this way, and when I'd adhere it like on three sides. Here, I put some tape here, here, and here. I put it down on my book, and then by doing that, it gives me room between my paper and my pocket to slide a journal card. And if I don't use it, that's one way of doing it there, you add on, and then if you open it up, they have all this room to make a journal card out of it. You can make it go to the right, or you can make it go to the left. It really doesn't matter, whichever one. This one here, the one that I made before, opens on this side. So you would put your card in the back, and you would open it this way. So again, all you do with this is you take a piece, it has to be square, fold it in half, turn it, fold it in half. So you end up having a piece that is closed this way. Then you take it from corner to corner, corner to corner, or corner to corner, but only one side. You will fold it this way. And then you end up having, by pushing these inside, you end up having this. Then you can decorate it the way you want. You can add, I added lace all the way going around. I cut up a doily and I just glued on some flowers. And I also, nope, not on this one. This is what I did for this one. So when you open it up, this is what you have to journal on. And you could do a little bit of decorating in here if you wanted to, or stamping or something, because it is a lot of room to decorate, a lot of room to write on. But I like it blank, and they can do whatever they want with it. And just add a decorative tag to it, and here you go. You've got yourself a really pretty envelope. The next one, same idea, guys. Same idea. What I did is I took a piece of paper that was just one-sided. I'm going to show you by grabbing a piece that is one-sided, okay? And with this, I did the exact same folds. I folded like so. Then I fold it like this. Okay, so I end up having a full square, 4 by 4 square. Then I took one square and I folded it in the center there, like that. All right. Then I took the other corner and I did the same thing. And if you fold it straight from the corner down, you should have no problem bringing them down. It has to be square, like that. Okay? Then when you have this, it shows not even there because of the paper has a white binding here, but it is even there. All you do is then you fold it on your fold it there, and you end up with this. Okay? This is the same thing. It's a 4 square, but you only do this part. Now, I personally didn't like this part here. So what I did is I took another piece, I cut it in half, and I glued a piece on top, which gave me this. Because this is glued in the center here. I don't know if I can take it out. I'm making too much damage, but to show you, this is exactly the same as this. Except I took another piece of paper, I cut it 8 by 4, and I glued it on top. So now, when I fold my fold on top, I end up having some. To me, this looks nicer than this. But then I've never dressed all this up, so, you know, that could work too. Then when you fold it, like this, another thing I forgot to mention, when I did glue it on, I did not glue the top part, okay? What I did is I glued here, here, and here. And then I laid it on top. So in other words, so let's say this is the extra piece that I want to add on top here. All I did was put adhesive here, here, and here, and I added it on top, like that. Then I folded it on the inside. And what that does, by leaving it open here, it gives me another pocket in here. Okay? So then I glued the inside. Now I have what I need for a pocket in here, a pocket in there, a pocket in here if I want to, another one in here, and if I close it and put adhesion here, here, and here, and I add it to my page as a pocket, I have an opening in the back there. And this is too wide there, but if it would go through here. So you end up having 5 openings. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the back. That is a nice pocket. You can put a lot of information in there. Now, all I did for mine, this is the exact same thing as this, is I added a bit of lace. And here are the tags that I added in here, and couple of different ones here, like this, and added those. And I didn't add one for the back because obviously I don't have the back. And I just dressed it up with some flowers. This is something I had in a swap. This is something I've received in a swap and a few extra flowers that I had. And it makes a really sweet, sweet envelope and pocket envelope. And this here, the reason I put these in here is it helps to keep the envelope closed. So the pocket envelope is filled, and by having it filled, it's going to want to pop a little bit open. And to help make your journal or wherever you're going to put it lay flatter, you just add a little paper clip on the side like this. Doesn't matter how you dress it up. I did it that way to match. And you end up having a really nice, cute, dressed up, inexpensive way to have a pocket. How much better can you have it than that? So these are the two that I've created, and I did the same thing with this one. I added a clip, and I'll show you quickly how I do mine. All I do for my paper clips, for these, just grab some good old paper clips, get them at the jumbo clips at the dollar store for $1.25 with the studio kind. I took my pliers right here, my loop rounder for my jewelry make it, but you could use your husband's, or maybe you have them like I do, this is mine, but his long needle nose pliers like this. And all you do is you slip it in the corner, like this, and you turn. I mean, you can't have it any better than that. See? There's one, and here's the other. It's hard to grab the tip when you can't see it. Okay, let me see. Let me feel it. There you go. Okay? So there I have my little loops. They're really not hard to make. I don't know why I'm giving myself a little bit of a hard time here. But, yeah, it's as simple as that. And it makes a really cute little paper clip. It does. Like, you know, it ends up looking like this. I made this one a few minutes ago, and I thought the camera was rolling, but it wasn't. And it ends up like this. And it's really simple to make. This one here I bent. I don't know why that happened to me. But anyhow, I will straighten it out off camera, and I will make it straight. But this is what I ended up having. And I have the We Are Memory, the tab punch, which I just cut 2 pieces of paper or cardstock, whichever one you want. And I glued it with my my tape. I just glued it on. And what I added here is to show you that on the loops, you could even add charms if you liked. And just added to this. On these ones, I didn't add any charms. All I did was add a F wording. And these here are so easy, guys. You don't need to have them printed out. I use Tim Holtz words because I have them. His ideology, excuse me, pads. But you could print these out, and I will after I run out of those. I'll be printing my own out on paper and just cutting them up, fussy cutting them. It doesn't take long when you have a cutting board. This is how easy it is to make a pocket, and a different type of pocket. So I hope you've enjoyed this little quick tutorial on how to make pockets. This is 2 basic ideas, a little different twist to it. I have plenty more tutorials that I want to share with you, and so please stay tuned because I will be making some pretty much every day, and I hope it's all something that you can use one way or another. I hope this has been helpful. This is Yvonne saying goodbye for now, and keep on creating. Bye-bye.